In an AI-driven world, how many of us are doing fact-checking?
What's the psychology behind future readiness? And whichever way we look at it, ambiguity tolerance is coming up as a superpower.
All of us, we don't spend too much of time reflecting on values as leaders, and that's something we've consciously done.
Those of you who've come here, you'll see a certain upsurge of energy within you for no reason, for some, inexplicable way it will happen.
Disruption is coming very, very fast. It's not just in technology businesses, but either technology is disrupting businesses or there are technology businesses are themselves disrupting. Any team, any organization, any department needs to continuously think of disrupting themselves.
So devotion is not towards an individual. We have developed the quality of a devotee, but that devotion is something that anybody who is excelled in any field needs to have.
If I'm committing, there has to be some terms and conditions along with that. And just to come out of the terms and conditions, and it comes back to this thing of human is not a resource.
Like Sadhguru said, it is about developing exuberant human beings who are capable in many different ways.
I would highly recommend this program to others as well. These are the kind of environment that generates innovation, allows you to think at ease and come out with out-of-the-box ideas. I think they can become a good directional point to start off to think about it for the future, including human and technology together.
And human is not a resource but is a possibility. You are at a position where you can nurture them and you can bring as much as possibilities in them so that they could be the best performers.
So there are a lot of practical aspects that are being discussed here about how to build a culture. We talked about how are we building organizations, and culture is just one part of the organization.
But I have recognized that as a trainer, as a facilitator, as a community builder, it is very important for me and the leaders that I work with to think where in is the only way out.
Different perception, way of perceiving and perspective towards the problems that I'm facing, towards scaling and finding the right human possibilities for my organization.
So one important aspect, I think, is that the future is here, and what we need to do is make sure that we pick up the weak signals, making sure that the culture fits the strategy, that the functioning of the organization is better positioned to deliver the results that we need.
This is an integration of real-world experiences, of spirituality, science, and the way the brain works, all four mixed together in this wonderful program called Human is Not a Resource. I think every human being on the planet should attend a program like this to really understand how you can interact with people not just as resources, but as possibilities and create a life of magic.